Hello, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus. In this video I'll show you how to perform hard reset of your smartphone via recovery mode. In the beginning, let's enter recovery mode. In order to do it, restart your smartphone, and while restarting it, press and hold volume up and power button until you see Android logo. Release the buttons, and now we will enter recovery mode. Using volume up and down button, select clear data and select factory reset. Confirm by pressing power button, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.